I'm Dara Steffen and I'm here in the Sternberg Museum kitchen, and we're going to do a fun 4th of July themed summer science short. The materials you are going to need is vinegar, baking soda, 3 cups, red and blue food coloring, and a spoon. First you're going to spoon some baking soda into each of the cups. Next, you're going to add food coloring to each of the cups, red, white, and blue. Finally, we're going to take our vinegar and pour it into each of the cups and see what happens. And we get a red, white, and blue volcano! You can try this at home. It's really easy and it's a lot of fun. Join us next time for another summer science short.